BTBT stock analysis and price predictions for Thursday. Is Bit Digital stock a buy? I'm going to be breaking all of it down in this brief and short 1-minute video. And as the only guy in the space that's actually done this for 43,000 videos over 5 years, I've seen what's printing and what's not. Especially with Bit Digital, I can tell you enough how freaking bullish I'm on this. Because beforehand, obviously, I was here buying and stuff like that. Let me show you. It was so cool. It was like 10 months ago. This is since it's September, you know, and I've still kept it because it delivered. And then just recently, I started trying to long, which there was a shift in. Actually, bias-wise, this is so juicy, but unfortunately, didn't manage to kind of get involved because it didn't kind of give me the rules. And that is going to happen. It's totally fair. The only thing that I will look kind of double down is if the price pulls down and then shows me the double break. But other than that, just randomly buying will not be happening. So let me know what is your opinion. If you want to get my money-making emails and insights, click the first link in the description. I'll see you in the next one. Goodbye.